What is the vortex indicator, VI? A vortex indicator, VI, is an indicator composed of two lines, an uptrend line, VI plus, and a downtrend line, VI. These lines are typically colored green and red respectively. A vortex indicator is used to spot trend reversals and confirm current trends. Understanding vortex indicator, VI. The vortex indicator was first developed by Etienne Botes and Douglas Siepman, who introduced the concept in a 2009 edition of Technical Analysis of Stocks and Commodities. Quad 1. The vortex indicator is based on two trend lines, VI plus and VI. Vortex indicator calculations. The calculation for the indicator is divided into 4 parts. 1. True range, TR, is the greatest of current high minus current high minus previous close current low minus previous close. 2. Uptrend and downtrend movement. VM plus equals absolute value of current high minus prior low. VM equals absolute value of current low minus prior high. 3. Parameter length, N. Decide on a parameter length, between 14 and 30 days is common. Sum the last N periods. True range, VM plus and VM. Sum of the last N periods. True range equals sum TRN. Sum of the last N periods. VM plus equals sum VMN plus sum of the last N periods. VM equals sum VMN. 4. Create the trend lines VI plus and VSUM VMN plus / sum TRN equals VIN plus sum VMN / sum TRN equals VIN. Repeating this process daily forms the VI plus and VI trend lines. The traditional application of using VI and VI plus crossovers can result in a number of false trade signals when price action is choppy. Increase the number of periods used in the indicator to reduce this, for example, using 25 periods instead of 14. Inferences. The vortex indicator is commonly used in conjunction with other reversal trend patterns to help support a reversal signal. It is integrated into most technical analysis software programs. VI plus and VI are typically graphed independently below a candlestick chart. The chart below provides an example with lines that indicate changing trend signals on a candlestick chart. As a trader, having a good understanding of technical indicators and how to interpret them is very essential. These indicators help you predict the direction of a financial asset. There are hundreds of indicators, which you can use in the financial market. One of these indicators is Vortex indicator, which was developed by Etienne Botes and Douglas Siepman. The two drew inspiration from the work of Alexander Elder, who is one of the best-known authors in forex, and indicators like Elder's Force. In this report, we will look at how you can use the indicator in the financial market. A vortex indicator, VI, is an indicator composed of two lines, an uptrend line, VI plus, and a downtrend line, VI. These lines are typically colored green and red respectively. A vortex indicator is used to spot trend reversals and confirm current trends. The vortex indicator was first developed by Etienne Botes and Douglas Siepman, who introduced the concept in a 2009 edition of Technical Analysis of Stocks and Commodities. Quad. The vortex indicator is based on two trend lines, VI plus and VI. Understanding the vortex indicator. The vortex indicator is a technical indicator that uses historical price data to identify trends in the price of assets such as stocks. The foundations of the VI involve the use of price bars. A price bar is simply a representation of the highest and lowest prices of a stock over time. For example, the daily price bar of Amazon would show the highest and lowest prices of Amazon stock over a single trading day. The vortex indicator connects the highs of a market's price bars with the lows of the next price bar. At the same time, the lows of a market's price bars are connected to the highs of the subsequent price bar. The two indicator lines provide valuable information on trends in the price of a stock. During periods of strong price trends, the two indicator lines will move further apart. In contrast, indicator lines that move closer together indicate weak trends or periods of relative price stability. Positive vortex and negative vortex. The two indicator lines represent the upward or downward movements of the vortex indicator. When analyzing the vortex indicator, upward trends are referred to as positive vortex, VI plus, while downward trends are referred to as negative vortex.